record this. So this is just ideas that I've come up with for this instrumental. And you know what? I'm going to just stick to the notes in the chord. That's all I want you to do this week. Next week, our last class in this session, I'll show you a couple notes that are not in the chord that we can add if you want. So I'm going to take it from the nearness of you, the bottom of verse 3. 2, 3, 4. The nearness of you. Whoops, sorry. Isn't that pretty? These are all the notes in the chords, darling. I'm just doing a finger picking pattern to make it sound a little different. I love this. I'm going to get in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. It's just the bottom 3 strings, and then the chords, it's the E minor 7, G diminished, D minor, G7, the last set of those in the instrumental. So watch my right hand. I'm in my finger picking position, but I'm just picking the C and the A string, and then hitting that E string. Watch this. Ba, ba, da. So 2 strings at the same time, the C and the A, 1, 2, and then with favorite finger here, the E string. Now I'm going to go down, that was E minor 7, now I'm going to go to that G diminished. Same pattern with my right hand. D minor, same pattern. And then just a G7, some kind of G7. So you see, it's the same chord in your left hand, but the power of your right hand to change up a finger picking pattern. Oh my God, I think the possibilities are endless, and you can just have so much fun with this and transfer to other songs as well.